Hello, paper crafters. It's Vicki Enyart from Snap and Scrap with Vicki. So I'm just coming to you with a card kit that I have recreated or reinvented, as you might want to say. So I just want everybody to take this and give them an idea of thinking out of the box for a card kit if you see it online. It doesn't necessarily, if it's not seeing exactly what you wanted to say, that you can make it that way. So this one is called Hooray for Honeycomb Kits. Unfortunately, this one is no longer available. It's something I had in my stash and finally got around to creating it. So the first one is the Oh Happy Day. Well, this one here is basically a happy birthday card, which is perfectly fine. And that's exactly how I wanted it. All I did was stamp sweetest birthday wishes, nice little sentiment in the inside. So this one was perfect just the way it is. Now the next one. This one was supposed to be a congratulations card. Well, I don't have anybody at this point in time that is graduating. My children are adults. They have I have grandbabies. So they need birthday cards because they are constantly being invited. They are getting to that age to go to birthday parties. So I thought I would put these together for them. So what I have done here is I have turned over both of the clouds. And then on the bottom here, I ink blended with a blending brush, the pool party, to basically emulate what the congrats said. And I used a stamp set from Handmade and Heartfelt and did happy birthday. And then the Let's Eat Cake came from the Birthday Fancy. So remember, like other stamp sets that you have that came with other kits, you can use those and cross over to get the results that you want. And then on the inside, just did a little sending you happy birthday wishes. Aren't these adorable, these honeycomb kits? I love them. Now this one is the one I really basically reinvented. As you can see on here, the honeycomb was supposed to be on the outside. I felt, well, if they wanted to mail something, that's almost impossible because it's going to get crushed. You know, I don't even know how you'd put it in an envelope, to be quite honest with you. So I decided to put it on the inside. And again, another nice little sentiment, wishing you another year as sweet as you. And this also came from the Birthday Fancy card kit. So what I have done is this little sentiment here, I turned it upside down and just showed the white. And I had made these in the past. This is a print and cut through Cricut that I emulated the same color. And so it says happy birthday. And then I added the strawberry, and that came from Paper Pumpkin. So they have these add-on dies, and this was called Circle of Season die. It is the one that was current for July, August, and September of this year. So if you have that in your stash, I was able to recreate an actual strawberry. And then this can also be made into an acorn. And it also included this cute little flower that I went ahead and added in there. So as you can see, this one has been completely transformed into, I feel, an easier card to put in the mail. Now, the other reason why we get card kits is the beautiful envelopes that come with them. Remember that these are already pre-designed and you don't have to do any work, and just gives it a really nice feel. So again, unfortunately, this kit is no longer available, but I want to show you the kits that are still available and where I got the stamp sets from. So here we go. This is the Birthday Fancy kit. Again, doesn't look like much online because you can't really see all the elevations and everything, but it is a beautiful, beautiful kit. And it comes with this sweet stamp set that says sweetest birthday wishes, let's eat cake, happiest birthday, sending you happy birthday wishes for you, time to celebrate, and wishing you another year as sweet as you. So multiple stamp sets that can be used over and over and over again. So I'm just going to hold these up real quick and let you see that this comes with 12 different cards that you can make. Now, some of the pictures aren't actually on the brochure, but I went ahead and and they didn't actually use all the pieces, but I took all the pieces and made sure that I used them all. So as you can see, the colors are beautiful. They have lots of little gold foil in them. And you can see there's that sweetest birthday wishes, and all the ephemera that comes with this kit is amazing. It's a little overbearing at first, but the biggest thing was I just punched it all out and kind of distributed it between the cards to make sure that I was getting an even amount. And then the little leftover pieces just went back and added them where I thought that they would look appropriate. So just card after card is beautiful in here. I just love this kit. And this is available on my website. And I will list it down below just in case you're interested to purchase it. We are doing a kit challenge at this point and Stampin' Up. So any support I can get, I would appreciate. But again, I just want you to enjoy the beauty of all of this in the gold foil. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous cards. Okay, and then again, don't forget the beautiful envelopes that come with it. Every envelope has the gold foil on them. And as you can see, it's really, really, really pretty. Okay, and then the other kit that I wanted to show you was the Handmade in Heartfelt. This was a specialty kit that came out. I think it was for National Card Making Day. So it comes with this gorgeous little box. Look at this. I mean, how beautiful would this be to give as a gift? And that's what I had it displayed at a vendor show lately. So it just showed how you can add a little notepad. You can put a pencil in there. Here, let me put this to the side. They have all the envelopes that come with the cards that, you know, you can see that they're already a pre-designed area where you can put the address on. And let me show you these. These are actually really beautiful too. And everything is like lifted, as you can see. There's a lot of, I think it's 2 of each card that I made here. Home of Sunshine. Now this has an array of birthday thinking of you. Beautiful cards, beautiful, beautiful. And there's that second one of that. And then this is a thank you card, and you can see the whole elevation of it. And then look at this blue. I love the deep blues, thinking of you. Okay, so again, here we have it. So think out of the box, take whatever you have, or take after you've made your card kit, maybe utilize that stamp in a different way for a different card kit. So hope you enjoyed. Have a fabulous day, and I'll see you soon on my next video.